So next Euro cylinder that I will attempt to open is this Ezcurra. I think it's pronounced in Spanish. I think it's a Spanish lock. It's a 6-pin and there's an anti-drill bit on both sides. It's a very interesting cylinder. I've never picked an Ezcurra before. So let's see if I can pick it on camera. I did manage to pick it a while ago. I mean 10-15 minutes ago. And let's see if I can repeat that. See if that was only beginner's luck or if I really understood what's inside. I have to tell you, it was not that easy pick. The Yale that I picked before, 7-pin, was giving way more feedback than this little Ezcurra here. Well, the Yale I picked required varying tension, meaning from strong to let go of the tension wrench. Here I have to keep it a little bit less than a medium, and even then I'm not 100% sure what I can do. Okay, let's dance a little bit on these pins. I believe I set a few of them. So let's see. This will finish. Okay, I just felt the tiniest rotate on the core, either on pin 3 or 4. Sorry about that. Okay, let's see. Okay, I got some more rotation on the core. Okay, let's dance again on those pins. It's a technique that I learned from Bolson and Bill, and to be quite honest, it works on a lot of dimple locks, regardless if they have security pins or just standard pins. I remember that I asked my parents to open a Gerda because they wanted to buy a Gerda, and I said, okay, before you install it, just give me the Gerda for one evening. And again, with dancing, I managed to open it. Okay, enough dancing. Here we go. And I did manage to open it. So, dancing on the high security pins does work, guys. use this technique. I can only thank Bill once again for sharing it with us. And there we have it. The Ezcurra Euro cylinder picked open. Good. Guys, thanks for watching and keep it Lego. Cheers.